front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, but this time click on Font Settings. Finally, operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and check out Preview at the top. Once you're ready, just go back and your changes will be automatically applied. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!